So many kids struggle with learning how to add and subtract positive, negative integers. I've come across a method that you can set up in a T-chart style way, and it really helps the kids to get through it, get the right answer. It's not the way that you want students to do this all the time, but in the beginning, to teach them how to do it, it's a very great visual representation of how to do it. Let's take our first set here. -7 minus a -3. First thing that we're going to do is we are going to change all of these to addition problems. And in a subtraction problem like this, we use the phrase same, change, change. You keep the first number the same, change the second sign, and change the third sign. So we're going to leave this as -7, change, change, plus 3. Now we have a -7 and a +3. If I set up my T-chart, where on the left side, I'm going to have my negative numbers, and on the right side, I'm going to have my positive numbers. So I put my -7 down here, and my 3 here. Now, because these two are in different columns, I take the smaller number, and I subtract it from the larger, or subtract it from both sides. These 3's cancel. 7 minus 3 is 4. And the 4 is in the negative column, so my final answer is -4. 8 minus a -6. Again, I've got a minus a negative. And to change this to an addition problem, keep the first number the same, change, change. So 8 plus 6. Now this problem, if you have to do the T-chart, may not be the best thing in the world to do. We should be able to just take 8 plus 6 and get 14. But if we go back with the T-chart process and show our negatives on the left side, positives on the right side, both my 8 and 6 are positive. So I put an 8 and a 6 there. When they're in the same column, you just add them together. 8 plus 6, we get our final answer of 14. Next problem, -3 plus 5. We do not need to change this to an addition problem, it is already. So -3 plus 5, we go right to our T-chart. Negatives on the left side, positives on the right side. So 3 goes here, which is negative, the 5 goes there. Again, we take the smaller number and subtract it. So minus 3, those cancel. 5 minus 3 is 2, and it's in the positive column, so our final answer is +2. Last problem we have here, -4 minus 6. Again, we want to change our subtraction problem to addition. Same, change, change. -4 plus a -6. Set up our T-chart. Negatives on the left, positives on the right. I have a -4 and a -6, so both of these are on the same side. So again, we add these together to get 10, but because it's in the negative column, our answer is -10. I hope you find this helpful. Good luck with adding and subtracting positive, negative integers.